We all know there's nothing more perfect than when your outfit's got pockets. We say, why wait? Give any dress that practical polish and add pockets with this helpful video. All ready? Let's add pockets to your clothes. To start off, find the side seam and work out where you want the opening of your pocket to be. It's probably easier to do this while wearing the dress, to make sure it's perfect for you. Add pins to mark the top and bottom of the pocket's position. Clever, right? Now, here's a question. How big do you want the pocket to be? What fabric do you want it to be made out of? Think about your dress. If it's fine, you'll see any fabric that's heavily patterned. We'll be going for a cotton fabric to create the pocket bag. Plan out the shape of your pocket's bag by using another garment's pocket as a template. Remember that this section will form the opening of your pocket, so don't forget to check it's deep enough for your hands, as well as any bits and bobs you'll be popping in there. You'll need 2 pieces per pocket, so we'll pin them both together along the inside of your pattern's edge. Cut the pattern out and double the quantity of layers if you're adding 2 pockets to your dress. Backstitch around the curved edge with a 10mm allowance around the curve. You can mark a guide to follow if you need. Can't remember the backstitch technique? Here's a handy video on backstitching to help. Secure it in place, trim to keep things tidy. And that's the pocket bag made. Next, turn the dress inside out and find the position of where the new pocket is going to sit. The length of the seam will need to match the pocket bag opening. Now gently unpick the seam between your pins. And add a few stitches at either end to prevent the seam from undoing. Line up the pocket bag, press and pin into place, making sure you only pin one side of the pocket bag to one side of the dress, so you don't sew up the pocket's opening. When you're done, backstitch along the other side of the seam, securing the end neatly with a knot. Trim threads, then repeat it all for the other side of your pocket. Ensure the top and bottom of the pocket's opening are safely secured with a couple of stitches. You don't want anything dropping out. You can now repeat the process if you have 2 pockets. Take out the pins, turn the dress back to the right side again, and check the opening. It has pockets, and now so will any of the dresses you turn your hand to. Congrats, you made it. Stay tuned for more Love It for Longer content, helping you get more from your wardrobe.